Vico, guess my weight?
Nope, not doing that.
Oh, come on. Take a guess.
Lady, I may be dumb, but I'm not suicidal. Ask me again, I'm calling HR.
Oh, wow. That's brutal.
Officer Miller, today I am fully prepared. I brought a ring, I brought a groom dress. This is not a joke, this is planning.
Here, are you proposing at work?
Yes, please say yes before my courage flies away.
Oh man, are you hearing this? That's amazing, I can't...
Hey, stop making that noise. That's gross. You're sipping way too loud.
It's piping hot cocoa. I have to suck it gently to cool it.
You're looking at him a lot.
Who?
This guy.
You're jealous?
Obviously.